Hi, we're at Harrahs in Council Bluffs, Iowa, which is right next to Omaha, Nebraska. We're gonna do a little room tour here and see what it's all about. All right. Oh, we just came in here. And here's the room. We come in and looks like we got a little closet here. Okay, I can do some hangers. Ironing board. Luggage rack. Pretty normal. Not all beat up or anything. A little dirty in here. Whatever, no big deal. Looks like we got an adjoining room. Yep, that's locked. Oh, nice big mirror. Hello. And we got 2 beds. Which is weird because, you know, this was comped, so I didn't actually pay for this room. Let's see. And we're just looking for what may be bed bugs or anything funky going on here. And that's the spot where they would hide, is right in there. And it would look like a little dark spot. I didn't see anything there. Should always do this when you're checking into any hotel. You never know what you're gonna find. It could be as high end as can be and still have little travelers. And everything looks pretty good there. We gotta check the other side of this one. They like to go right to the edges. Hide underneath things like this. Little zipper. And there's nothing there. Looks clean. Yeah, it would normally look like a little dark smudge, like, and then if you look closer, it'll probably move on you. So we got a nice little stand here. Nothing in the drawers. And we got a TV. Cabinet. Oh, we got a fridge. And there's nothing in it. Well, I guess we'll have to put something in it. More drawers. They look really dated. Look really old on the inside. Definitely seen some use. Well, definitely seen some use. And we got a nice little chair here. I don't know what happened to that lamp, but she's pretty kittywampus. I wonder if any of you have OCD and that would drive you crazy. I think it already drives me crazy and I don't even have OCD. Hey, there, it's straight. Okay. We got ice bucket and some glasses here. Oh, look at that. Water for $3 a piece. Isn't that nice? Ice bucket is nice and clean. We got our heater. Oh, it's set to 75. Let's turn that down a little bit. There we go. And oh, we got a nice view of the parking lot. Isn't that pretty? Well, at least I can see the Tubermobile right over there. Starting to snow a little bit. Can't even get away from snow from North Dakota. Followed me down here to Iowa. All right, we'll go check the bathroom and see how that's looking. Hey, we have a coffee maker with Cafe Valet Estate Blend. Okay, so we have one regular and one unleaded. That's gonna be not near enough. 2 coffee cups, and we got professional skincare bar. Nice. Of course, we got Kleenex. Towels. Looks like we have a hairdryer down there. Big mirror. Hi there. Shower curtain has a little rip in it here. And then we have all the squirt bottles like Caesars likes to do now. So they can buy all the stuff in bulk instead of giving it away to us fun people that come and visit. Okay. Big shower head. And boy, that looks really bad. That's all rusted out. And there's hair in the bottom of the tub. They didn't clean this too well. Yeah, there's lots of hairs over there. And now we'll look over here at the toilet. Yeah, there's lots of hairs there too. Not fun. And there's stuff all over the floor here. Yeah, it looks like someone piddled all over the floor and they didn't clean it. And on this side, yeah, it's dirty, but it's not. Hairs everywhere. Okay, do I want to do this? And yeah, that's not too bad. Still kind of dirty. You can see some stuff in here. Well, and then we go down to the molding in here and see that there's mold on the molding. And more stuff on the floor here. Yeah, I don't think, and then there's stuff shoved in the corners here. Yeah, they're not doing a great job when they're cleaning the bathroom, that's for sure. There's even hair on the door. Huh. I wonder if they actually cleaned. Or if they just kind of moved the dirt around. But hey, at least the painting's nice. Well, I should say print. Let's see, we got a heat lamp? No. No, it's just a light. And a fan. Okay. And then we got back to our dorm with our do not disturb. Well, all in all, it's not bad for a free room, I guess. I think it's normally about $130 per night. And I don't think that I would really care to pay that for this room, seeing as the state of the bathroom. But I don't know, we'll let them know down at the front desk, you know, that it wasn't exactly clean. So we have another mirror over here I just saw. Hi everyone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, do all that good stuff.